Hello friends, I am Sheikh Ibrahim. Today I am discuss about drug discovery, clinical trials, origin of pharmacovigilance and regulatory bodies. In drug discovery in which process to identify the new medicine and introduce the market. The aim of drug discovery is the drug safe, effectiveness and less toxic effects. There are 4 phases in drug discovery. Number 1, target identification, target validation, lead identification, lead optimization. In target identification, firstly we have identified the target and disease and make a drug. This process reason behind the drug. And number 2 is target validation. After chosen the target, then they validate and analyze, and also drug ability check. Number 3 is lead identification. In lead identification, they are the lead compound. Lead compound is the chemical and biochemical activities and present, and they are select the lead compound. Number 4 is lead optimization. After successfully select the lead compound, then optimize it. Number 2 is clinical trials. Clinical trials is the number 2 is drug development. Drug development is present in 2 phases: preclinical and clinical trials. In preclinical or before the clinical trials, we check the drug safety and effectiveness and full effect. Then we are trial and animal. There are the preclinical tests. Preclinical test is a 2 phase: in vivo, in vitro. In vitro is the outside the body, is a laboratory testing on tissue and plasma of animals. In vivo is the inside the animal body testing. In clinical trial is the testing of drug in humans. There are the 5 phases: phase 0, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, phase 4 and phase 4. In phase 0 is a microdosing. In this phase, given a microdose to make sure is not harmful of human. They are the short time duration, less volunteer are involved, less chances of adverse event, and they are the check to the pharmacokinetic effect of the drug. Number 1, phase 1. Phase 1 is the 20 to 80 only healthy volunteers are involved to check the minimum and maximum dose range of the drug. In phase 1, they check the SAD, MAC and food effect of the drug and pharmacokinetic and pharmacodynamic effect of the drug. Phase 2 is therapeutic exploration. In this phase, we have select 100 to 500 volunteers with the targeted disease and check the maximum and minimum range of dose and effectiveness of the drug. Phase 3 is therapeutic confirmation. In this phase, we have choose the more than 5,000 people volunteers and check the more than 5,000 people to select the targeted disease, check the long duration, long time safety, tolerability, etc. After 3 phases, the clinical data are submitted to INDA. INDA is the investigational new drug application. They are to take an approval of post-marketing surveillance. After INDA given approval, there are the phase 4 is post-marketing surveillance. In this phase, drug introduced to the market and check the safety, efficacy, etc. The clinical trials. In origin of pharmacovigilance. Pharmacon means drug, vigilance means keep watch is mean keep watch on drug. As per the WH, pharmacovigilance is related to detection, assessment, understanding, and prevention of adverse event and any other drug and any other related problems. In detection, there are the four main terms: detection, assessment, understanding, and prevention. In detection, firstly they are the detect the ADRs in clinical trials. The investigator and the post-marketing surveillance physician and doctor are detected the adverse event. Assessment. In assessment, the HCPs are doctor and HCPs are detect the ADR and assess the ADR comes to drug and any other problem. Understanding. Firstly in this step they confirm the ADR come in drug. Then doctor and specialist are understand the why they drug you in ADR. And prevention. After prevention is to stop the ADR and prevent the drug. As a origin of pharmacovigilance. Pharmacovigilance is started in India 1986 and the work of PVPI in 2010. After two tragedy are happened, sulfonamide tragedy and thalidomide tragedy, the pharmacovigilance are happened. Some pharmacovigilance in the regulatory bodies. Regulatory bodies is the government, is the public organization and government agency is responsible for the regulation of the human activity. The main three terms of regulatory reporting is make a rule, provide the guideline, and check the compliance like audit and inspection. The regulatory bodies of country is US FDA, US FDA. FDA is the Food and Drug Administration. The origin of FDA is June 1916. India has SCO is a Central Drug Standard Control Organization. Its origin in 1914. The headquarters is New Delhi and the founder is Vijay Somani. And the work of employee in 50 employees work in the UK MHRA, Ministry of the Medicinal Health Care Product and regulatory agencies. And EMA, European Medical Agencies. In the Australia have a TGA, Therapeutic Good Administration, is a regulatory bodies of the top countries. Thank you.